Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about STARPLUS Legend interim report. STARPLUS Legend Holdings Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services, including retail and IP creation and operation development and sale of health management and skincare products through various channels, e-commerce operations on social media platforms, celebrity IP creation and management planning and management of media content production and events, licensing of celebrity IPs and related product sales, media content creation, including plus organization and planning of IP programs, plus event planning activities, plus production of digital and AI content, plus online trading management, plus restaurant management, investment in music concerts and other events, music production. The STARPLUS Legend Holdings, HKG, 6683, stock price has skyrocketed by 111.24% in the past year due to a combination of factors. A significant contributor was the company's strong revenue growth, with a 33% increase in revenue for the first half of 2025 and a 35.8% rise in full year 2024 revenue compared to 2023. The expansion of J-Chew's intellectual property, IP, through new retail business and strategic partnerships has also driven growth. The company's association with Taiwanese pop idol J-Chew has been a major catalyst for its success, particularly after his concerts and collaborations with Douyin. Additionally, the investment in J-Chew's Carnival World Tour has further enhanced the company's brand reputation and diversified its revenue structure. Market dynamics have also played a role, with mainland investors actively investing in volatile stocks and STARPLUS Legends, relatively low free float contributing to price volatility. While the stock has experienced significant fluctuations, including an 80% plummet in September 2024, the positive news and market factors have driven periods of rapid growth. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in the company's financial performance can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by new retail business, which saw a significant increase of plus 91.5%, and IP creation and operation segment revenue, which rose by RMB 183,006. Additionally, mainland China revenue experienced a 34% year-over-year YoY growth. On the other hand, revenue decline was mainly attributed to the decrease in licensing and royalty income, minus 37.3%, celebrity IP management, minus 52.2%, and the IP creation and operation business, minus 8.2%. The company is experiencing a significant decline in its operating cash flow. The net cash outflow from operating activities has resulted in a substantial decrease in the company's cash reserves, indicating that it is struggling to generate sufficient positive operating cash flow. This trend suggests that the company may be facing financial difficulties and requires careful management to stabilize its cash position. The company's financial performance reveals a significant increase in its debt level and interest expenses. Total debt has surged from RMB 5 million to RMB 25.7 million, while non-current liabilities and current liabilities have also seen substantial growth. Interest paid has risen from 256 RMB 0 to 376 RMB 0, with finance costs on lease liabilities and bank borrowings increasing by 31% and 23%, respectively. These changes indicate a notable escalation in the company's financial obligations, which may impact its future performance and profitability. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions. Notably, the new retail business saw a significant increase of approximately 91.5% in revenue. In contrast, the IP creation and operation business struggled, with an overall decline of around 8.2%. Within this segment, celebrity IP management was particularly weak, experiencing a decrease of about 52.1%. On a regional basis, mainland China performed well, with revenue increasing by RMB 89,657 from $263,952 in 2024 to $353,609 in 2025. Conversely, the others region saw a decline of RMB 1727 from $2,594 in 2024 to $867 in 2025. Overall, while some areas showed improvement, others faced challenges, highlighting the need for targeted strategies to address these disparities and drive growth across all segments and regions. Management is confident about delivering sustainable long-term growth and enhancing shareholder value. The company plans to focus on three key areas: deepening presence in IP operation, creation business, and new retail business. To achieve this, they will develop self-developed IP-related products featuring popular characters, accelerate the rollout of robot shops, and cooperate with leading companies to expand coverage. The company also intends to operate online stores through e-commerce platforms for sale and promotion of IP-related products. Furthermore, they are contemplating opening a Black Label store in Guangzhou and exploring new forms of IP products, including quadruped robots with companionship functions. Management is investing in physical concerts with artists and increasing efforts to enter the metaverse ecosystem. These strategic moves demonstrate the company's commitment to innovation and growth, positioning it for long-term success. The company's financial summary reveals that it has a history of paying out dividends to its shareholders. This indicates a commitment to returning value to investors and distributing profits in the form of cash payments. Concerns about inventory buildup. A review of the financial summary reveals concerns about inventory buildup in the company. Notably, raw and packaging materials have increased by 83%, while finished goods have risen by 26%. These substantial increases suggest a potential issue with supply chain management or demand forecasting. However, the provision for impairment of inventories remains relatively stable, indicating that there is no significant concern about inventory being obsolete or unsold. Nevertheless, the sharp rise in inventory levels warrants further investigation to mitigate any potential risks associated with inventory buildup and supply chain disruption. That concludes the financial summary for STARPLUS Legend. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.